morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday morning. Last night we were in Togo where I prepared goma dese, a wonderful chicken dish with lots of flavor. It was really, really good. I used a spice blend I put together based on the information within the recipe. You can do it without the blend, but I think it's definitely better with it. I served it over long grain white rice. It was very good. I was really surprised. One of the fun ingredients was the smoked salmon, because the recipe just calls for smoked meat. And it gives, some examples, but very vague examples. So I went with some smoked salmon. Give it a try. Try something different. All right? Tonight, the Culinary Expedition continues for a second day in a row. We're going to Venezuela. This dish is Asado Negro. This is a beef dish. It looks interesting. I didn't realize, because I have a really bad habit of not reading recipes through. I mostly look at ingredient lists, not necessarily the method. This is a slow cooker recipe. And I thought about doing this in a brazier, in the oven and slow cooking it that way. But no, I'm going to enjoy putting everything in the slow cooker and letting it do its thing. All right, so let's get to it. Got the slow cooker out. This is my handy dandy. We've had this for several years. It works really, really well. It's got great timers and so forth. I don't use it very often. Food processor's out, because part of the process is to take not the beef, but the stuff, the vegetables and so forth, and make we're making a gravy out of it. So we're going to come all the way back over here. For the rest of the hardware, got a saute pan out because I will be browning the beef before it goes into the slow cooker. And medium saucepan, once everything comes out, we will be putting the gravy into the medium saucepan, and Dutch oven for, I'm going to be making mashed potatoes as suggested by the recipe. The beef has been marinating overnight. I actually did it for a change. It's marinating in Worcestershire and garlic and salt and pepper. That's it. It's been in the cold box since about 7 last night. Kosher salt, black pepper. I'll be only using about not even half of this onion, not even half of this bell pepper. Carrots, which I'll be cutting down. A little bit of oil for the searing. Some beef stock, some red wine, Marsala wine, Mexican oregano, granulated sugar, brown sugar, bay leaf, some bouillon, and some red potatoes for the mashed potatoes. So here's all the goodies for tonight's Venezuelan meal. We had a small break in the weather yesterday. It was supposed to be like 97 yesterday, but it only got like to 93. But according to weather reports that I'm seeing, it's supposed to be above 95, pushing to 97 today. If we just had a little bit of a breeze, not the oven wind that goes with this heat, but just a little bit of a breeze. All right, enough of the weather. I'll stop being Al Roker. All right, so on this Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.